abna yabada MTN fo ase yabada MTN fo ase papa sense abibia mo kan isim no me ka kire say na yekọ e ni so e ma MTN app no so na obenya no ti download your Play Store ne App Store ne nyina yenko seamless. Now DBS Industries Limited was say bosso free you go so bosso free at the amount ne ade na can say what mo say abna stop disturbing me, I'm busy. Free installation go so koso anya sam keto akra makwedi esi akonkon and the sports page one brought live on Adom 106.3 FM. Kegyiwa na kasanie Eric Asiedu Boadi abna anopa me bo quickie why men chekra me bo quickie
kan wasem na onya sports ni bi
se me bo quickie me
se me bo atiefo nya me mo midi kan atiefo
no na oye show man bo quickie anko abe na to
ase be kure
na ombe
Kasem.
Okay. Hey, no. Now, I be sure say the sports fund and anon penny for pound to my say and yema ebetima koye nesika kakra bom near dia boy and sports ho bra. And now the floor of parliament, the sports minister I could mu can some kakra chichi mu. Say near air call my update of the AC National Investment Bank for the 100,000 to mu. Now all my update in watch them so also the 2-month salary. Can okra bom be bietimi akoso nya no kwa owura chedua Stuttgart so the nedia account so also the 1-month salary and so account penny for na started leadership by example this guy Kegyiwa na niam atimi akoye yeni kan tie honorable sports minister mra.
Ghana has qualified for the World Cup. Funding will be a key component for our participation, and it is in that spirit, Speaker, I make this statement. Right Honorable Speaker, I rise today not merely as a Minister for Sports and Recreation, but as a servant of a sector that has for decades operated with talent, passion, and hope, but yet without financial sanctity. On the 18th of December 2025, Honorable Speaker, exactly 2 months of my salary to the Ghana Sports Fund, effective February 2026. In that spirit, I will donate 2 months of my salary to the Ghana Sports Fund, effective February 2026. If we expect the private sector to invest, if we expect federations to reform, if we expect young athletes to commit, then leadership must also commit. I respectfully call on members of this House, ministers of state, and the executive to support this fund in tangible ways. Government has delivered the framework.
We on our sports minister Kofi Adams and Sam Kakra what here to a na American catch up Brecon West MP honorable Dexter Chedria so at the also 1-month salary atum and says Kakra ba ye say other entities na face so makoni akran kreso de mbeji na bibia timi akoyi ya kan sama mo Black Stars Kakra san ma comfortable dauda goalkeeper string and the mabobo ko ne what Sam Kakra to dwa say aya no tete san krofo bob enyeme na sare aba so de bi kan ho achesa brand official ba Black Stars for Bodman papa ne wo ye house of folk ne the oil Black Stars no obeka so onto so sa na World Cup e sa ne hia sa ne hia oboda ba so ne ma wo to so ye ne sa de e be boy pa.
I've been in that position before, so because it's in the team, Black Stars player, and that's my department. So anytime we play a game, I get in touch with him, with his goalkeeper coach. We share ideas, we give feedbacks for the way how he can improve as a goalkeeper and as individual. And so I keep advising him to stay focused because the physical team saw you playing the Premier League, the local league, and then you were selected. So you need to stay focused and then keep doing what you know to do best. So I think he's doing well for himself and for his club, being a captain, a leader, and then a commander. You know, it's not easy. For that position, definitely, you need to be criticized if things are not going well. That's how it should be. But for now, I think he's staying focused because someone who listens, you talk to me, listen. So he's a fast learner, he's coachable. So I'm happy for him. He's doing well for his club and for himself.
Oh no, and someone goalkeeper string about Black Stars. Odi atu dwa fata odara sam na make o say ben na sorry esua de entem you a fast learner otiasem enti obekwa chiri pa onto aso say beboa ne pa yaka Black Stars asem chene so ma say Ghana e wo friendly matches me ense bi na me bo so kire but in the month of March no ye wo mienu ase ko wudi ba Austria on the 27th of March na fe ya bo Germany so on the 30th na two friendly games e penny four list om de abetu dwa se de ko ye ko twene ko ho kakra hwe ya House of Folk Number 2 goalkeeper Sobana Gbesi Sudia be pim. They say has anya 2 players of Black Stars ni mu eno ne de efi by the one samata Gbesi eso anya kwenya so akoche ne boble e was friendly matches me fa o wetimi akọ World Cup ni bia enya samketo akra ya kan sa no weekend the match day 23 of the Ghanaian Premier League e kwaso na House of Folk after so kwache kotoko no oba be pm ofie University of Ghana Stadium on Saturday no ne brekum Chelsea at the pim so did Dramania where head coach Mabobo ko ni nsam to gas say the kotoko de na twam brekum Chelsea na mo hwe won be so win no beto aso nyeso akwache kotoko betra fie ama Chelsea abeche na che no.
Very, very aggressive, possessive, and in another compact team. Yes, they can move the ball very well. They are very courageous in terms of how they want to play. There's a clarity. You know, Boadi is somebody that I've also mentored in many and continue to mentor. And so, with the greatest respect to him and his team. And so, for me, we have picked the lessons from the previous game, the learning parts, and then we acknowledge the challenges that we had in our team, and we also acknowledge our strengths. We're building on that, and that's why we saw us doing, you know, still working on certain aspects in order to have the edge.
Right, and only and some did Dramani head coach Jema House of Folk the two ja. Ya can say we no copy me Diema Sporting Club on is the same table number so and you match chance move 5 points as or share koto ko beto so mienu. And the man for Zen has the league in the na say has bet my zone to be Mediama won lead no pressure than so na pressure na did say no kre. So wo league now na lead na has the wachi a mo as the pressure kakra be fa ho te tango.
This pressure because I think in is actually 0 points and they do have definitely you know matches in a can or be a match na can and to know me or be influence hard match where I match so we know match I don't think we will journey or do matches on but still now can very very tough hard momentum I mean after beating Kumasi and to or confidence level no high I think almost all matches not actually but I don't know after 34 weeks you know Nigeria
we and someone Tanko Ibrahim one no coach at the Mediama Sporting Club or the to a jara. Ya can say we no say that your vision be chem and a day pem so chana fe kwasi da no out of work and it become Chelsea at pem so out of Lions and it goes stars Bonnet Vienna Stars or United at pem so now Carola tena fe 11 winners now but summer text name Mediama Sporting Club neighbor Basek Holy Stars and it's draw Blacks at 3 p.m. on Sunday Young Apostles and Asante Kotoko neighbor with the Kotoko continue na Young Apostles the Zidi Nkui Nations need Prim FC so and a day PM 44 points for Mediama and a 39 points for House of Folk and a Gold Stars also means 39 and Diana Tosso and 9 37 points in the channel South Family way and it's an official no AC at here the Ghanaian Premier League no Pimo Kwa United Akacha hey as I said by Antijan to Koswana Yami team they say yeah bre oh bag with me general manager na kwa be dan kwa say enema nye mo ama be hadwen
e be dai
oh
yeah to off why
say quote na nye
minim but adwuma no obi be somu a kwan ya kokofu yi omodo da se mo de bia meka ya yebo a obo de fa de kransie yi ya yebo a kwa United ya yebo a ode eja ho
oh Boadi ya de na no kempon be somu some time ago ne twane Boadi bi za radio so what is the growth
and I said Dr. Rene Champo kran so be so
Boadi nyankopon Boadi e fa ne kwa but I mean ni pa no so
ba ode o ba ya na what sisi waso what is
sisi waso sisi o sisi re
ya sebo
bu asabio na stadium ana ball no dey no be hu nipa na no twampo no na se be bobo na nipa na no twampo ne pa say rade
because yes me be ball ka wade ho aka be nyame aka se ti
wa wo yemi ti ka me wo busu man
kampe
na manana kwa me dan kwankasa
so na me adma come Sunday we do Lions yes ye zone no o hwe ye team a kita when we talk of experience we have it when we talk of young players potential are very high we have it I mean it's a traditional to be no coordinated by in Ghana football in the spirit of any association by Ghana it's in the team and with a little push we will get there and ye zone no point difference no ekitara ho nti we need back o musu back na a secretary from I mean the day I was a quarter by before. So you don't talk on your cinema say so every support to be a person of the Boa club. Doors are open. Banka so be Namia Dom for Namia Shea and Yam Ababra Kuimura. But yet they don't know a business. So be business in this Canaban. And a football sabbath one of businesses are. So you know the returns with the Bija.
Wey ene ensemwa nana Kwame Dankwa general manager oti etu edwanti yegusu hwe se mwana beba na de matimi akoye so hono weekend matches awodo bekoso ewo the EPL La Liga Serie A and the likes thing na mu no tena etena se ewo akokansi so from 8 to 9 ewa Adom FM so ebekom amwa usane honsam so esiete Bukayo Saka in 2013 watete contract makoduru hwese ne mabetima kwendi Arsenal for mu hwe na Samonyi League na mu fanya ne ma chance musamba Gafidi asa cut down this weekend. Mone Tottenham nebo na Man City in Newcastle so abo and the Martin here something which is there no bad thing. And the Europa League and the Conference League so echoes. It was the second leg in the because saying when they qualify for the next round of the competition. Nina so many crab and eventually yet na say we can see so Adom FM so watch na 8 to 9 and the one but then of course at 10:30 Adom TV so no ya the sports arena and so but nina ya man on any feel someone ye do so me na ote ase abra meje mu dia ma MTN e kan ho na ne de ba me ka trust me bo quick was my ntam
we
oh manche
embody
adachi ache boy na MTN app no
e na me kan Ramadan Karim we say Wednesday no na ye nuan mo nkrabo fo mo hyase ayomu chiwi na me kan Ramadan Karim ba fo say nyesa so Ramadan Karim ana betu sa
ka se yen kan se o se kan sen
onyum so
wonim dia na organization
ba fo say
so se nyesa no
me fa electoral land ya na me hunu say ya twa Ramadan Karim ne jase bi twae no ni musabe me no me ni ye friend say agya mo na mo
me ka so be ka say usi so ne ayifu anante ya
wo je to say ya
say na ka because wo
ne nya no sa so just it be nim si Ramadan Karim afi ba fo the way o ye na ba fo kwa wo nim ba fo redu amo
me say ne ho na say ka challenge ni zanati ya sen o ka say nyesa so na okay wo so Abnanti mbacho di hunju mama me why
oh yes yeah meto aso sanko wono zase binim se bia me mama bi kura wo ba bia wono so person of bia wono kura so yo ma wo mo top proye no e de ko ye aduane beto ma yedi no bia no no aso no wo ka ho bi so that o kan e bia won chire mu
sa ni nyina no be ye the complaints and the reports by you moving a step further nearly somebody for the omobe ya fa ho the complaints are here man no the penny for IS on be ya fa ho ye keken because course ye penny 40 it penny the enko for can he adia AC
production be try so menya FDA
yes I adia AC the AC no the anamona mu to their phone because it's a fact enko for ye niam wo suma se enye ense se be report ma o de bia sometimes
plantages na say ya say plantages ya no de rubber fra said a crispy never chama ma.
I then any party more days. Crispy.
Chiwadi will fear
crispy a chair.